Hello student, I am Bishwajit Nath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about some definition and the relation between some magnetic parameters. At first we going to define about magnet intensity of magnetization. It is denoted by capital M. It is defined as the magnetic dipole moment per unit volume of a bar magnet or induced magnetic dipole moment per unit volume of a magnetic material. Therefore, capital M is equal to Pm divided by V. We also know that magnetic dipole moment is equal to magnetic pole strength into effective length. If we assume that effective length and geometric length of a bar magnet are same, therefore we can also write that V is equal to A into L, where A is equal to area of cross section of that bar magnet and L or is the effective length or is of that bar magnet. That's why we can also define that capital M is equal to small m by capital M, where small m denotes the magnetic pole strength and capital A denotes the area of cross section of that magnet. That's why we can write that magnetic intensity of magnetization capital M is the magnetic pole strength per unit cross section. It is also denoted by capital M, capital I or capital M. And unit of capital M is ampere per meter and its unit is L minus 1 capital I. Next definition, magnetic permeability. It is denoted by mu. We consider a uniform magnetic field capital H. Now we place a magnetic material like iron. We know that the density of magnetic lines of force is increased inside that magnetic material or inside the iron. That's why we can say the intensity of induced magnetic field inside the magnetic material is greater than the intensity of magnetic field outside the magnetic material. And let the intensity of magnetic induced magnetic field inside the magnetic material is capital B. Now the ratio between capital B and capital H is known as absolute magnetic permeability of that magnetic material. It is denoted by mu. That's why mu is equal to B vector by H vector. If we consider the material, if we consider the surrounding is in air, and that's why for air we can write that mu 0 is equal to B0 by H, where B0 is the induced magnetic field in air and capital H is the applied magnetic field. Now the relation among B vector, H vector and M vector. We know that B vector is equal to B0 vector plus mu 0 into capital M vector. That is, induced magnetic field is equal to magnetic field in air plus mu 0 m, that is induced extra or increased magnetic field inside the magnetic material. And we also know that B0 is equal to mu 0 into capital H. Therefore we can write that B vector is equal to mu 0 whole into capital H vector plus capital M vector. Next definition is magnetic susceptibility. We know that intensity of magnetization, that is capital M, is directly proportional to the applied intensity of applied magnetic field, that is capital H. That's why we can write capital M vector is equal to xi m, written in suffix of xi, into capital H vector, where xi is a proportionality constant and it is a dimensionless constant. Xi is known as magnetic susceptibility of that medium, of that magnetic material. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss about the famous relation between relative permeability and the magnetic susceptibility. It is very important for you. We know that B vector is equal to mu0 whole into capital H vector plus capital M vector. That's why capital M is equal to xi into H and B vector is equal to mu into H vector. Then from equation 1, 2 and 3 we can write mu into H vector is equal to mu0 whole into H vector plus xi m into H vector. Therefore we can write mu by mu0 is equal to 1 plus xi. And we know that relative permeability mu r is equal to mu by mu0. Therefore mu r is equal to 1 plus xi m. Therefore we can write that relative permeability of a medium is equal to 1 plus magnetic susceptibility of that medium with respect to air, where mu0 stands for the magnetic permeability of air or vacuum. I think you understand the topic. If you like my video, then please click the like button and please subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions or if you have any queries related to the topic, then please write your question or queries in my comment box. I shall try to answer your questions. Thanks again for watching my video. Have a nice day.